As a last step for creating a buyer persona with our template would be to think of the value added and the elevator pitch, just for fun, something to help sales. So in the previous exercise, you've probably listed a lot of different pains and gains. So it's a good thing to introduce voting at this stage and try to pick the two biggest ones, the ones that you would like to focus on. So the biggest pains or the biggest gains you would like to emphasize within your marketing, within your sales strategies, etc., etc. And to those values or value pains and gains that you just solved, try to create an elevator pitch just for fun, so your sales team might have it a little bit easier when trying to create one. And please keep in mind that this buyer persona should be an active exercise. Come back to it. If check the statistics, maybe that's not the best value that you've chosen. Maybe that's not the best persona that you've chosen. This should be a work in progress. So never stop learning, and never stop workshopping as well. All the best.